Hi, my name is Esme Krimi. I'm an 11th grade student at South Java Central School District. I am in Career and Financial Management with Mr. Peters. I assume you are his 7th grade class. So, how to find the right bank or the credit union? Okay, so as you can tell, I have a definition of credit unions and banks up here, but I want to just, sum it down a little bit. Credit unions are more for the people, more for everyone's interest, whereas banks aren't exactly in the interest for everyone. So, when choosing a bank or a credit union, you want one that doesn't have fees. Now, fees can include ATM fees, teller fees. There are some banks that if you go in and even speak with someone, you have to pay money for it. And there's some that if you use the ATM just once, you have to pay money for it. You use the online, you have to pay money. You don't want those fees. Maybe you do. I personally don't want this extra money in there. So you want a credit union or a bank that if they do have a fee, they reimburse you for it. Another thing is credibility. You don't really want someone that only gets 1 out of 5 stars, or even less than that, or even 3 out of 5 stars. You want to go with a bank or a credit union that has good reputation. Online option. You don't want to have to wait in this huge line every single time you go to the bank, do you? I know I don't. Now the online can be quick and easy. Some people are concerned about the theft part of the online banking. You can secure it with a credit union or your bank that doesn't happen. You get messages on your phone, you get emails, you get phone calls, you get in mail papers that tell you if someone's been in your, banking account, and you can check to see if that was you or not you. The other part is location. Now, you could have a part like this where, this is actually the school in Tops addresses, just so you know. So this is the school here, and this is Tops. This is how close the bank would be. Let's pretend this is your house and this is the bank. Short walk, you can go, you can talk to someone. You don't want a bank that's like here, our school, all the way here in Virginia. You don't want that. Now, if you do have a bank that's a little bit farther, let's say from you live in Carthage and your bank's in Watertown, you don't want to go to Watertown every day, or you live in Lorain and your bank's in Watertown, and you don't want to have to go to, Watertown every time you have to cash a check. That's okay. It can be fixed. All you have to do is see what works best for you. It's been great chatting with you. Me speaking to you. Have a lovely day today. Signing off.